On this episode of Nick's Adventrex, we travel to Utah over the 4th of July weekend for some camping at Lava Flat Campground, check out Mammoth Cave lava tube, and take in the scenery around Bryan Head. Wow, we're almost at 10,000 feet. Wow, look at all this lava rock. Lava Flat Campground is located on Utah's Markagunt Volcanic Plateau. It's a remarkable area littered with old lava flows consisting of beds of volcanic rock and over 25 cinder cones. This volcanic area last erupted roughly 1,000 years ago.
Alright, find us a spot.
The place we're camping at is one of many forest road turnoffs, which allows dispersed camping throughout the whole area. This is my little camping lantern from King Camp that my friend got me. It's super awesome. And I sleep in the back of my RAV4. And I actually have a self-inflatable mattress back here. So this is my Exped self-inflating mattress right there, and then a bunch of foam and blankets to even it out. I actually did have a platform back here, but I didn't like having the platform because I couldn't sit up in the middle of the night, and that really irritated me. I like being able to sit up when I'm in bed. So this works out pretty good, actually. You don't need a platform for your RAV4 if you just bolster it up on the bottom to even it out. We usually camp with a scuttle, but we forgot the scuttle, so now we have a Walmart stove. $30 in a pinch, not bad. And this is the little dog pen. He likes to wander, so we took this little pop-up tent, and I had this netting for the back of the car and made a little doggy pen. I don't think he's happy about it, though. What do you think? Let me out! So we're at Lava Flat in Utah, and this is our camp. Decided to just camp in our cars. Don't worry, the dog is not camping in there. That's just for while we're eating. Yeah, we're going to camp in our cars, and we don't have the shift pod this time. Just checking out this new place, and it's kind of spectacular. At elevation 8, almost 8,500. And we're July 1st, and the temperature is in the mid-70s, supposed to get into the mid-50s tonight. I'm guessing there's no bear problem because they don't even close the lids on the trash. It's not like Lake Tahoe. There. Wine and liquor available. Let's see what kind of beers they got. After our quick coffee stop at the gas station in the small village of Duck Creek, We headed north to check out Mammoth Cave, a lava tube that is part of the Markagunt Volcanic Plateau. Welcome to Mammoth Cave. This popular cave was formed by cooling lava and water. It has 5 entrances and over 2,100 feet of passages. So that must be the hole that does the light, shines the light in. Being the 4th of July weekend, the attraction was a bit crowded. With less people around, I would love to come back again to explore, maybe during midweek. Definitely need to bring a flashlight though. An iPhone light is terribly inadequate, as you will see. So that was really cool. That was Mammoth Cave and near Cedar City and Bryan Head, Utah. Too many people. This is 4th of July weekend, but I guess you can like go way back in those caves, but definitely need a flashlight, which I don't have, so I wasn't prepared for. It was cool. You definitely need a flashlight. Too many people right now though. But like when you get down there in the caves, it wasn't strong enough.
Really?
No, was not strong enough. We drove through the small residential community of Mammoth Creek. Nearly all of these dwellings were log cabin in design.
Cute, I love it. Everybody with their little log cabins.
I have an affection for log cabins, so I was very enamored with this little town.
Wow, this is super cool.
Margaritaville.
Nice.
On the way to Bryan Head, we were once again presented with more lava flow rock beds. Starting to feel that elevation headache. It's not bad, it's just a little tiny. As we made our way to Bryan Head, we were climbing in altitude. Bryan Head is Utah's highest city at nearly 10,000 feet. So the hills are alive
with the sound. Yep. And what's up there? Guess you can drive up to the top of that thing.
Vista Point, Bryan Head Peak. We might have to go up.
Oh yeah, definitely.
To the right is Bryan Head Peak. After our visit to Bryan Head, we did drive up to the top. That adventure is coming up in the next video, so make sure to check back and subscribe. Base elevation, 9,600 feet. That's pretty, oof, that is pretty serious.
Everybody's got their little ski shacks on the hill there.
This place is such a trip because look, there's all that red rock over there, you know, that you expect to see down in the desert, and it's creeping up into the alpine environment. Do they have geodes? Geodes. Rocks. Oh, look at the table. I'm not sure if these vendors are a weekly happening up here at Bryan Head or if they were just here for the 4th of July weekend. At any rate, it made for a festive first visit to this awesome ski town.
It's a cafe. You into skiing, Eric? Wasatch Brewery right there.
We're heading in the right direction.
Yep. What did you get? Johnny's American IPA. Can I try it?
I want to mix it up.
That's pretty. Oh, it's a little bitter.
I got you the hazy, I think.
That's a little juicy.
We've never been skiing at Bryan Head, but if you know my channel, you know we love to ski. So this is definitely on our ski list now. On our way back to our camp spot, we made one more stop at the wildflower bloom here at the Cedar Breaks Ashdown Gorge Wilderness Area, just across the road from the Bryan Head Peak Trail.
That's a cool sign. They carved it like they carved the National Forest signs. It's really neat. I like that.
This trail accesses Ashdown Gorge Wilderness, established under the Utah Wilderness Act of 1984, which designated 6,750 acres of the Dixie National Forest as the Ashdown Gorge Wilderness. Elevation ranges from 8,000 to 10,400 feet above sea level. The area was formed through faulting and eroding of the multicolored Claron limestone. Growing on these limestone formations are some of the oldest living things, the bristlecone pine. Wilderness areas are set aside to protect resources for future generations. Thank you so much for doing that. And over there, you see the sign for Cedar Breaks National Monument, and then the little sign next to it you can't really see, but it's like a fabric sign that says Wildflower Festival, and you can see why. Look at all these wildflowers. Hey Eric, what are we doing?
Putting rice in a bag.
And then we're gonna use this little salt seasoning packet that I have with saffron and turmeric. I don't know, it's gonna be awesome. Woohoo! Rice in a bag, good for camping. A little bit more of the salt.
Lava Flat Campground in southern Utah is most definitely a place we will come back to. It is beautiful, offers us a 3-hour getaway from the southern Nevada heat, and is overflowing with geological curiosities. Thank you so much for joining in on this adventure. Please subscribe. I can't tell you how much it will help to grow this channel if you do. Subscribe, like, and please comment. I always enjoy reading and responding to comments. Thanks again, and tune back next week for our drive up to Bryan Head Peak.